What's up, guys? So about to do an oil change on my bike. Matter of fact, the 3-hole plug, which is the oil, the primary, and transmission. Just cleaned the air filter. Just basically get you some spray it real good to loosen up all the grime, dirt, oil, loose oil, whatever. And then once you do that, let it sit for a little bit, rinse it right off. And then once you rinse that off, let that dry, and I'm gonna let it like air dry, maybe like all day, put it back on tomorrow or whatnot. So since I'm doing that, I might as well do the oil change. So what we got. Order everything on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below what I got. So this is transmission I got. I like to run bel-ray. Screaming Eagle's okay, but bel-ray, we want to use mineral oils for your outside. So let's see. Use bad boys. So, bel-ray mineral oil, 2050 weight. This is what I put in my bike. You guys can do what you please. Put Screaming Eagle and all that good stuff, but this is what I put. I think it requires 4.5 quarts, sometimes 5. So this is right here. I still have some left over from my last oil change, so I'll put the remainder in. And then for my primary, I have the primary oil. So let's see what we got here. Just find a local store that sells it near me. Cycle Gear only has a limited supply of stuff. They need to order all this stuff that I just ordered. This right here is for my primary. So we're gonna show you what we do. First, we gotta get the bike jacked up and get my drain pan in. Let the bike warm up for a good minute. Let the oils get hot. So when you loosen those screws off, the oil just gonna come right out like nothing. So stay tuned. All right, so here we got the bike jacked up, you know what I mean? So next thing you want to do is start your bike up and let it warm up for a little bit. You want to get that oil to get hot, so when you change your oil, it'll just leak right out. Go ahead and start this bad boy up. And we're going to go see Black Adam too. Bad boy off. All right, so that's that. Now it's time to drain the oil and get to it. So you got 3 of your plugs at the bottom. 3, the one in the middle. Underneath is the transmission, the one in the back is the oil, the other side is the primary. So let's get to it. Okay, let's start off. That's the transmission. could have got more use of it, but why not change it? Okay, right here we have the oil. Go ahead and loosen that up. Let that go ahead and drain out. It's my time to change that. It's so black. So this is the transmission. There's shavings on there. Wow, that's a lot of shavings in there. Yeah. Let's clean that up a little bit. Go ahead and put the transmission drain plug back on, which is the first one we took off at the very bottom. Wipe it off a little bit. Screw that up in there. Go ahead and snug that one back up. That's that. And then the thing that helps is you take your oil cap tap off, or the plug that you fill it in with. It'll help drain a little bit quicker. So while the oil's draining still, I'm gonna go ahead and refill my transmission. So it's just usually 1 quart. So we put the whole bottle in there. Oh, your transmission fill plug is right behind the oil filter capsule. Right behind it, it's a little thing. You're gonna have to get a bolt, take it off. So it was a 38. It's a hex boot. 38. So go ahead and get our transmission fluid. Pour it right in. Nice and pink color. Pouring in slowly, but surely. That's that. You gotta make sure you change your transmission fluid, man. It's that easy. You tighten up your transmission drain plug. Nice and snug, like a bug. So now we can go ahead and put our oil plug back on. Go ahead and clean that off real good before you stick it back in. Got a little shavings on. It's working good. That's all you gotta really do. And then you can go ahead and stick that bad boy up in there. Back up in there. Go to the next task. Okay. Snug that. Let our primary drain plug right here. So we'll go ahead and loosen that up. There's a 16. Let me get wrench. Wrench and get up in here. Primary. Let that drain out. So while that's draining, we start losing up our primary cover. I'm going to loosen up a primary cover. It's a T25. Loosen these bolts up. Take the whole primary cover off. So you can get ready to refill it. So good. So now, do the same thing with your primary. Clean it up. Whoa, whoa. Clean it up real good. Get your primary cleaned up. Go ahead and snug it back in. Pour it right into the primary. You can go ahead and fill your primary after that. It's simple, that easy. Nice tight, not too tight. Alright, let's pour it in. Close that up. Okay, that's all set. Now we can go ahead and put our primary cover back on. Tighten it up. Pour it right in through the primary cap. tighten it up. Crisscross. Diagonal, so we're gonna strip nothing and everything lines up properly. Oh, brake cleaner, that's good, man. Brake cleaner. Oil. Not too tight, just a little snug. This is a crazy design how they got this, but it works. Can't complain. Easy to strip out the brake if you go too tight. This is snug. Now, on to the next test. We gotta loosen the oil filter up. Let me bring my drain box. Pick this, catch all your oil and stuff, cause it will leak. And then you just twist the fingers off. All right, guys. Last task of the day. We did it. We drained all the oil, changed the new oil filter, and stuff like that. Got my air cleaner drying from earlier, cleaned that. So now it's time to refill the oil up. So right here I have 4 quarts of oil. I have another bottle somewhere so we can make it 4.5 or 5. Sometimes on a good day, whatever. So let's go ahead and fill the oil up and finish this bad boy up. This is all drained. Take your rag and wipe all that off. Mess. How to make it half. Just gonna put a little bit more in, start it up, let it run, and then check your oil, see if you need more from there. And all that stuff circulate and run through the engine. Okay, we can put your new oil filter in. Dip your finger in the oil where there's a little seal around it. Screw it in place. Let me see if I can find it. You want to hand tighten this stuff. Spray a little brake cleaner. Get all that up. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up at that run. Yeah, that's it. That's that whole bottle.